Welcome to Kayakalp Private Limited. Today we have Dr. Shailendra Dhawan with us, who is an expert in treating leucoderma. Welcome Drive. Dr. I've received many letters from patients who are suffering from leucoderma and are having English medicines. They wanted to know whether they can take Ayurvedic medicines along with it.
This is an important question because many patients approached me who were affected by leucoderma, added English medicines. I've been working many years with this disease. In my experience, Ayurveda and allopathy is not contradictory to each other, it can be used as a combination. The patients who approached me would have taken steroids or other English medicines. Intake of those medicines will not be stopped suddenly, instead we will gradually slow down the doses of those English medicines. Along with that we will be providing Ayurvedic medicines and integrate them by proper doses. By doing so we will maintain a level so that the spreading of disease will be terminated.
Some wanted to know that if the parents are affected by leucoderma, will it be inherited to their children?
Many had asked me this question before. I would say that the chances of inheriting leucoderma is less. If children live in polluted areas or they lack vitamins, there are chances that they can be affected by leucoderma. In general, there is only 1 to 2% of chances of passing the disease to next generation.
Is it possible to treat a child with leucoderma, and what are its safety limits?
The doses of medicines should be less and should be provided in extract form. Ayurvedic treatment is safe. There is no doubt regarding the safety levels of Ayurvedic medicines. Even then we will recommend for liver function test, venal function test and all other investigations. So there will not be any chances to face such situations. Treatment is completely safe.
I would like to introduce a person whose son's treatment was done by Dr. Dhawan.
My son was affected by leucoderma. White patches had developed on his palms, legs and head. I was tensed to hear it. After consulting doctor, we were completely satisfied.
My child is 10 months old. He was affected by leukemia while I was carrying. It was due to lack of water. I consulted an English doctor, but it was of no use. Later on I took my child to Dr. Dhawan and his treatment really worked for my son.
Doctor, tell me something about this case.
Mother had consumed some antibiotics during her pregnancy period, so it had affected the child. This has developed depigmented areas on the child during early ages. With 9 to 12 months of treatment, the child had recovered 80 to 90%.
One of our viewers wanted to know that leucoderma had affected their skin, and some doctors had told that it was because of calcium.
Calcium deficiency will mostly affect children's face. If it had affected body, there are chances that it can be of leucoderma. Wood's lamp is the main diagnostic instrument in our clinic. With this it could be understood that whether it is leucoderma or calcium deficiency symptoms. With proper clinical investigation we could inform patients about the disease.
Doctor, what is the influence of yoga in treatment?
Yoga is an excellent science. Practicing yoga will make patient feel relaxed so that effect of medicine is easily visible. I would recommend my patients to practice yoga early morning for at least 5 minutes. In short, if we practice yoga along with proper medication, the chances of recovery is more. These patients who takes medicine regularly with proper food and practice yoga regularly can recover soon. Lifestyle plays an important role in treatment of any disease.
This is how leucoderma can be treated in Ayurvedic way. If you want to know more about leucoderma, you can contact Dr. Dhawan, and please don't forget to watch tomorrow's episode.